Sambi asi. I was your rock of far at the Amamo or Rabia. Wo fra mona near drew on my ganemu. Wo tumpasa kakranipa one for company true. Amane ebusia any abrepa. When in someone who be a tika. I saw the tea and your bob one in Anoa. Yada baba somo sebronya casio. I am married fishing Makobia Taroma, and I want my sweet. I am 21st clinic was at the sciatica expert, and a 1 moment name. A 5 mizu and a 5G drink. One was retired cheaper. 3 herbals, yes, 3 capsules, cocoa master, Druno, at Abajama so. Express group near Yado to Farm was a brand comb. Yadoba copy Parma, what told. I felt some patch at dear, and also can be. When you make walk drive, Brepum, Rebecca one in our one Sompa at the actual war. Namia Magia, never can send me cry Jesus to Chamadiamo or a me. I could see ya a jewako dear boating, afraid you burn and some mean chichimo infamo. Wapau Jumedia be want to ma a wama Ghana, a muya ever boamani paba some primadio no near tree, one anya Juma a wama Ghana a moo, where you are your business and employment assistance program. Yaman Penyabe de Doctor Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia, Wapa want to man the ya watch your say. Another youth employment agency, Wamonio Mapanish share pa, Sunny Apayana depiata, Wama Gane Muno Mapurubanya Jumaya, Sompa will be on your Jumaya, Yenianum Choba for, Mason for, and will be a door wap a power mapa. So will be a Jumana Shusika the baby, and also procure of a so bayanwo, and walk. Wakasa wase ochirasa abano de nani swade hu so pa na so abo sika na drum bia aya no ma aban no botaye nani swade hu no na nya da atwekwa akire na so ni nyina damu no enkakra ma panyi nato wo so betumi aye edi abo Ghana man.
And the demographics of this population, you will see that 73% of the population is below 35 years old. That is close to 23 million people out of the 31 million are youth. So when we are talking about 73% below 35 years old, you know that we have a big job to create more and more opportunities for the youth. So even though we have created 2.1 million, or we have recruited 2.1 million people into jobs, both by the public and the private sector, the work is not yet done. We have to do more because there is still a large amount of people in need of employment. But at least we can tell you that since we came into office, we have done more than any other government in the history of this country as far as the recruitment of people into jobs. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Asama Makai Sisian and saying, say, you hear say, Ghana, ye 31 million, 70%, so a member, you hear say, you may create jobs, but and then I go for Ado, 7 years, Yafani page you both private and public sector 2.1 million. A buying behind years, Sadi.
I know you know, Ora Kofi Japan, one know your chief executive officer of the Youth Employment Agency. One also Kasai Church, most Sunday, the medias from one more pound to many Padua, ever to me after one.
My visits to these places were certainly not for fun. It was like I have been doing throughout the year. Feel at first hand the workload of our energetic young men and women vis-a-vis what they take home as wages for their hard work. Though not too good as it is the case all over, it provided me with enough evidence and justification why the Business and Employment Assistance Program is highly relevant. As well, it fortified my belief that this program has come at the right time to deal with some of the issues. But what exactly is the Business and Employment Assistance Program. His Excellency Mpanyinfoɔ Nananom Bonoman, the Kasa Business Assistance Program, Youth Employment.
And what you know, Madam Justina, also Banahine Warrior Bono, Montamus, sorry, Adam Ampany, Abedia Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia, and of a Youth Employment Agency. One more papa, Passa, never Bunani Swadihu, Womamano Abemusi.